Hi crafty friends, it's Audra Monk, the Crafty Yogi, and welcome to the Crafty Corner. I am super excited. My Everything is Rosy product medley arrived this evening when I came home from dinner. And I've taken a quick look, and I even made one quick card all in like a half hour. And I am excited to share it with you. So if you haven't heard, the Everything is Rosy is a limited edition, limited time only product medley from Stampin' Up! Available May 1 to 31 or while supplies last. So as far as I know, everything is good to go in that it is available. So it comes with a lot of things. It's a full product medley and I'm going to show you in detail, but I'm just giving you the sum up with a stamp set, some dies, ribbon, shimmer paint, these little mirror things, paper, and some die cuts. So the cool thing is that I am offering, if you order this using this host code, WAHFF7KG, I will send you a free class to go. Now the class to go will only be cardstock or die cuts that are not included. So I will make a video where I show you how to cut your things and we can make it together. So that is really cool. If you have questions, let me know. But let's open the box and take a look. So it comes in a little box like this, the Everything is Rosy product medley. Where I did open it because I took stuff out. All right, so let's take a look. It comes with, and I was hoping to get this open before I did the video, but I ran out of time. Oh, let's see. There we go. This is some all-purpose ink, rose gold shimmer, and that is super fun. You can stamp in it, which maybe I'll stamp something in it. You can stamp in it. You can put it in a spritzer and add sparkle and shine to your projects. Okay, so that's in there. Here is the stamp set. It is a polymer set, and it includes some images and some greetings of different kinds. There are coordinating dies. The Everything is Rosy dies. I'm excited about this one. I've seen some cool samples from people who got theirs earlier. And then these cut out the flowers and the leaves, and these add a little texture. Okay, so there's dies. What else is in here? Oh, here we go. All right, there is ribbon, and this ribbon is super pretty. And you get, let me check, I think you get, yes, the full 10 yards. So normally we sell this ribbon for $7 to $8 a piece. Look at this. This is Night of Navy with rose gold border. So super pretty. And I kind of like this one a lot. This is a thin, does it say how, it's a ruched ribbon, oh, 1/4 inch. And it's Melon Mambo, which is such a pretty color. Okay, so we have that. And then you get a bag with a whole bunch of stuff. And so they put it in this nice big bag. Then it's in a smaller wrap to keep it safe. But I think this is great because if you don't have a lot of craft area or you want to keep it together, you could throw it back in here and store it all together. Okay, so wait till you see what comes in here. All right, so first up are these little embellishments. And these are kind of new. Ooh, look at them sparkle. So these are little mirrors, and they do have an adhesive, let's see if I can get one of them off, to keep them from getting scratched. Did it come off? No. They have a little coating. There we go. I don't want to scratch it. So then when you take it off, it's really shiny. And so you can use these to embellish your projects. All right. In the little packet, we have some copper edged labels, which I think are super fun. And that's a flower. So there's 2 sheets. So wait, I should start at the beginning. So there are 2 sheets of each of the die cuts. And these are fun when you just want to make a quick card. Like I made a card in like 10 minutes or less. And that's only because I had to think about stuff for a little bit. So there's flowers. Here we go. This is the one I use. There are these edged labels and a flower. There are these edged labels and a flower. There are 6 sheets of 6x6 rose gold foil, which are really, really pretty, super shiny. These are all like our specialty ones where there is foil in there. So you have, let me check, 8 sheets of each. Okay, that's awesome. So that's a decent amount of sheets. 8 sheets of each, and they have a design, more of a graphic on one side and the floral and the copper on the other. Here's like the little watercolor look. And the back is polka dots. You can kind of see with a foil through it, but when you mount it, you don't notice it. It gives it a little bit of texture. I like those polka dots a lot. Ooh, those look pretty together. The lines and the polka dots. This is kind of crazy. Look at that. And then the back side. Ooh, I like that back side a lot. That is really pretty. So you could make some masculine cards. I mean, you wouldn't probably want to stamp the flowers on them, but you could get some foil leaves. And on the back are some stripes. This is the flowers. And on the back, you get some little spotted stripes. Is that the last one? Nope. There is more. Hold on. Ooh, look at that. So those are sparkly flowers. And then you get nice blue stripes on the back. So there is a little bit of variety in your paper that you can use. Okay, let me move all this. And is that everything? I think I showed it all. So this will be a short and sweet video. Yes. Okay, and then look at this. Here we go. I made this cute little card in less than 10 minutes because I used the pre-punched die cuts, so those were easy. I did stamp the greeting, and I mounted the paper. And you can't see it, but I die cut out the center of this foil piece underneath so as not to use the whole piece of foil, so I can use that on another card. And I used some of the Melon Mambo ribbon, and it's just so pretty and simple. But sometimes you need to be able to make quick cards. So I think this is kind of like one step up from our paper pumpkin kits. So if you want all of the work mostly done for you, you should totally subscribe. It's going to be an awesome kit this month coming up. You have till May 10th to order the Shelly kit. But if you want more, this medley is really nice. Has a lot of options. I am going to play with it this week, and that way I can come up with the designs for my free to go class if you use the host code to order. If you're not sure what that means, let me know. So in the class, I'm going to make a video where we use our packet, but I will supplement your packet with cardstock. Like in the instance of this one, all I need to do is add a piece of Night of Navy cardstock that I would send to you, or if you live local, you can pick it up. So it'll be super fun that we can craft together virtually. So if you have questions or comments, let me know. If you are shopping, you can go to audramonk.stampinup.net and use the host code, and we'll craft together. So any questions, comments, or requests, let me know, and order your Everything is Rosy product medley today. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you again later. Stay crafty. You know I can't ever hit the button. Sorry about that, guys.